Hey, this is Shawn Barnes. In 2011, I purchased Care Patrol and introduced the state of Alabama to the referral and placement agency model. Think of us as a marriage between social work and real estate. I'd like to talk a little bit more about cost of care and in particular long-term care insurance. Now, if you're age 55 or older, long-term care insurance is a great investment. I know it's expensive, usually between about $2,500 and $3,500 annually for the premium. But think about it like this. You have house insurance, you have auto insurance, and you don't want to make a claim on either. But when you need to, boy, you're glad you have it. The same with long-term care insurance. We may not ever really want to make that claim, we sure want to have it when we need it. So when we're looking at long-term care insurance policies, let's make sure we look at a couple of things in particular. One is the elimination period. That's the amount of time between when you first make a claim and the claim pays. It's usually 90 days, but that is sometimes negotiable. Two, let's look at the definitions of care. So for example, with the ADL, or activity of daily living of eating, with the VA aid and attendance application, for example, the inability to go to the grocery store and buy food qualifies as needing help with the eating activity of daily living. But there are some long-term care insurance policies that will say that only if someone is physically taking food on a fork and putting it in your mouth is that qualify as eating assistance in the ADL. So you want to make sure, obviously from that example, that your definitions are hewing more towards the less care needed than the more care needed in terms of the eating ADL or other ADLs. So those are two things to really pay attention to when buying long-term care insurance. And the reason we buy it, preserve cash and be able to afford care. I hope this helps you as you navigate your own care needs. In the meantime, and while you're doing that, be well and stay safe.